Good morning, Mireya. I'm feeling pretty good today. Just finished my breakfast and ready to start today.
That's good, Jahan. So what to have do we have today at school?
Well, I have math and history in the morning, followed by English and essence in the afternoon.
Look you, Jahan. Leave got English first things in the morning. Then it art class and till later on.
Sounds like a busy day for both of you. I've got chemistry and Spanish in the morning. This is after music class and geography.
Chemistry and Spanish home. The song interesting you. What are you studying in chemistry today?
Right now, we're learning about terminal reaction and balancing equation. It's pretty challenging, but is enjoying it.
Speaking of school, what time do you go? Usually, what would in the morning?
I usually get up around 6:13 a.m. gives me enough time to get ready, have breakfast, and catch the bus.
I am an early race to. I was up at 6 a.m. to I come skillfully in a kick workout before getting ready for school.
How about you, Mireya? What is your morning routine like?
Well, I'll usually with the sound bathroom time before finally dragging myself out of the bedroom 7:30 a.m. Then eat a rush to get ready, grab some breakfast, and hit up the door.
Definitely, and nothing beats that feeling and accomplishment with your concrete morning rush.
So speaking of breakfast, what's every young go to morning meal?
I'm a big fan of oatmeal with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey. Gets me energetic for the day, aren't you?
I like to switch either big win, cribbly, eggs with toasted or the smoothie packet with green and the protein. Can do brown, white, and nutritious start to the day.
We looks like we're all folded up and ready to tackle whatever the dice throws at us.
I
Definitely, we
agree.
need to look for that to score beyond.
I agree. Let's make today a great home.
Definitely, here's to a productive day at school and beyond.
Bella.
See you later.